Let's draw an owl. First of all, draw a circle for the eye. Slowly. You can use any object that is circle for the perfect shape. Draw another circle for the eye. Now your eyes. Draw curves for the eyelids. Another curve for the eyeballs. Draw another curve. Now draw another big circle around both the eyes. This you will get the face of the owl. Again, you can use any object that is round in shape for perfect round circle. Your eyes are complete. Now draw the eyelashes. Small curves. Eyes will look very cute. Draw the circles in the eyeball. Now another curve to make the beak. Slanting lines. Now from the beak, join the eyes with the curve. Now draw the head with the help of curve. Two small ears. Now make the body with a curve, both the sides. Now draw the claws with the help of oval. 3 ovals for the one claw, 3 ovals for the other claw. Now draw the wings, both the sides. Owl is sitting on a branch of a tree. You can draw the branch. Then continue with the tail. We will draw 2 spirals for the hair, and you can also draw the leaves, and your drawing is completed. Now you can start the coloring. Always start with a darker shade and then fill it with lighter hand. Color the eyes, head. You can use 2 shades to give a bright color. Color the beak. Use dark shade and light shade. Wings. Here again I am using 2 colors for the shading. Now color the body. Start with the dark shade and then fill it with the lighter shade. Claws, tail. You can color the background also. to give a nice look.